Hey, what's up, y'all? If I can get in focus, I will tell you what's going on. So, it's a new day. Got a new job to do. Putting this locker together. I did that last Sunday. Put this locker together for Elijah's room. We are revamping Elijah's room. We already revamped Abigail's room. So I'll do a little quick video on that. We'll just show you because I didn't think about recording. I didn't do much. All I did was put a bed together. Lydia painted the room. But we'll show you what it looks like once it's cleaned up because I think Abigail dirtied it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and as you can see I got tape on the locker. I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. But of course I gotta scuff it up a little bit because this is real nice and smooth. And I'm not using expensive paint, I'm just using some of that Rust-Oleum paint primer combination. I've already sprayed the back because I'm just trying to scuff it up a little bit. Just gonna scuff it up a little bit so the paint will stick. Now I'm gonna put the camera down and we're gonna do the whole run through. All right, so bear with me. This video is gonna be edited a lot. All right, let me get started. Alright y'all, so what I did was wet sand it, just lightly scuffed it. You don't want too many scratches, you don't want it deep. This is his old bed right here. Took that down because I think he got a new bed, I believe so. And this has a dresser that I got put together today. So it's a lot of work today and you're gonna see it all. And hopefully you like the video. As you can see, I'm a jack of all trades. Anyway, let me dry this off and then cut you back on and start the paint. right, y'all, me and Abigail, we gotta go to the store and get some more paint. It's almost done. This bottom part, and I'm just gonna go back over some of the locker, the part that's gonna show. All right, so we headed to the store. All right, guys, we're here at Walmart. Me and Abigail, and we need. Wait a minute, they got primer like that. Okay, yeah. We need some metallic black.
Metallic black is right there.
That's flat. It is black, but that's flat.
Flat.
We need the metallic. And I forgot where it was the last time.
I want to go.
So it's got to be around here somewhere. Metallic.
Go.
High gloss. Satin. Semi-gloss. The locker is metallic. Nope. Ultra matte. Oh, there it is up here. Metallic black. All I need is one can. That's all I need. And I promised Abigail yesterday that she was gonna get ice cream sandwiches. Crazy. Let's go get the ice cream sandwiches and get up out of here. Alright, so we're done with Walmart. Abigail, hold my hand. Abigail. And we're on our way back to the house. Hard to hold this camera with stuff in it. She got her ice cream sandwiches.
Yeah.
Like she wanted. Because she's spoiled. And that's my fault. But it's all good. On the way back to the house, finish paint. Yeah, so she decided she wanted to eat the ice cream in the car. Yeah, and it's what, 9:42? Yeah, ice cream for breakfast. I ain't mad at her. But we going back to the house. Finish painting that locker. Should be dry by this evening. And then I gotta put Elijah's bed together and Genesis' dresser together. So you'll see all that too. And when we're done with, basically done with, by the end of the day, Elijah's room will be done. His new room, wall painted, and I'm probably going to have to get new LED lights for his room, because we're taking the ones off the wall so we can get painted. Probably gonna update them to Govee anyway. That way I control all of them with my phone instead of with the remote control that he's probably gonna lose or tear up. That's what little boys do. Anyway, see you at the crib, at the house. All right, y'all, locker is done. It's black, metallic black. And it needs to dry, so yeah. Just needs to dry. So you can see my reflection in it, and it looks like it's, you know, it may look like it's streaky, but it's not because of the metallic flake in it. And it has to dry. Guys gotta let it dry, okay? So let it dry before you start commenting on and worrying about how your painting. I didn't do the back very well. I just sprayed it just one time just to, because it's gonna be against the wall anyway. So next up is the bed, well, the dresser, because Lydia's painting the wall right now. So I'm gonna put Genesis' dresser together. So that's next. All right, I didn't get a chance to record what I was doing or record what this dresser looked like, but I did put it together. It's got LED lights on it. It came with it. I can't find my things to, there's some extra clips to clip this up to where you know, kind of disappears, but I don't know why they did it like that. That's a little weird. Anyway, it works. I don't think they really care. Genesis don't care, that is. and she'll be able to put her own, create her own color once I put a battery in the remote. Now it is off to do Elijah's bed. This is Genesis' room. It's off to do his bedroom, and well, Lydia just painted it. It's nice looking, and we're gonna put everything together. We have a bed for him, and I think some neon signs or something. So we gotta figure all that out. All right, I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, so what I did was drill a hole in the back of this dresser to bring all the wiring in instead of having it on top. And she can do the rest. She can clean it up and fix it up how she wants. Moving on to the next room. All right, so unpacking this bed. What you want to do is make sure you put everything in a, get it all out of the package first, and then make sure if it has labels like numbers on it, make sure that you keep them in like an order. Some of this stuff probably don't have, I don't think it has any labels on it. But you can figure it out because the instructions will have the labels and let you know exactly what it is. Sorry y'all, the camera died, so it's probably gonna go in and out on you. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can now, because I don't want to keep waiting. I got stuff to do. It's late. Not even late, it's 4 o'clock. I've been doing this since early this morning. Cleaning stuff, doing stuff, painting. I'm tired. So we're just gonna get it done. Back to the action. Alright y'all, this is Abigail's room. It is done. Got the pink walls. Got the little purple accented wall right there. Her name is on the wall. The lights are off in here so y'all can see the I guess the glowing LEDs and all that good stuff. And now let's go to Genesis Genesis room. And here is her finished, whatever this is, dresser. She moved some things around. Her wall is blue, and she has, of course, that. And she has the light up mirror that you see me in. Yeah, light it up. And you can make it, the lights, a little dimmer. There's Hanky Boy, and there's Big Max, Beta Max. All right, let's go to Elijah's room. And wall is black, accent wall. His locker is done. See, I told you. Got the nice little LED lights. Got the basketball hoop. A full-size bed, which I'm done with. And pictures. basketball with Jordan on it. Yeah, nice little place. But that's it, y'all. I'm tired. It's like 7 o'clock. I haven't ate nothing, and it's dark in here. So I am done. No, wait, this room is next. This is gonna be the next one. So we've already redone this room before, and now we're gonna redo it again. It's kind of junky right now, but it's gonna be fixed. All right, so like, comment, subscribe for the next video. Well, the next do-it-yourself home video, whatever you guys call it, it will be that room right there. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
I'm above the rim, ain't worried about them. My shorty exotic, and plus she all in. She told me I got it, so I double the profit. Go call me a Mozzie, then I squirt off the lot. And it ain't gon' stop, still rolling at 5. Spent plenty of nights with tears in my eyes, don't kill my vibe, yeah. I heard little shorty been switching.